My personal passion is really solving the problems.
We don't necessarily focus on an industry, we focus on a problem and the type of problem that it is.
My name is Melda Akin. I'm the co-founder of Dimension 14.
My name is Chris Wallace. I'm also co-founder of Dimension 14.
Planning problems pretty much transcend a lot of different verticals. So like a classic case could be within an airline, trying to find a way to drive down the cost of delivering passengers' baggage.
There are several planning problem solvers, but our approach is totally different because we automate whole process starting from problem definition and explanation and also the modeling. In the current world, we need too much human expertise. We eliminate this process, so the solution is more affordable, more flexible and cheaper than the existing ones. There are several approaches that we can use which are open sources. Our algorithm is like an umbrella. As Dimension 14 or Magic Box, we call it Magic Box, it picked which approach we're gonna use, how we're gonna approach, what kind of parameters that we're gonna use, and we solve it. Our primary market is the Middle East. That's why we are in Dubai.
This technology can really go to any of the verticals, but where we're going to focus on initially is workforce mobility and manufacturing.
Education is becoming a bigger problem. What we're doing is we're fully automating course and exam scheduling for universities and colleges. So we're using AI analytics and predictions to enable students to graduate faster.
I'm from Turkey. I started to code when I was 12 years old. I set up my previous digital transformation consultancy company. It was the first time that I came to Dubai. My real baby was decision-making tool. Then I met with my co-founder in the plane.
While I was on a plane, coming back from a meeting in Turkey, I thought I was working hard. But I looked over on this empty plane and Melda happened to be in the seat across the way, literally working much harder than I was. I was curious to see who this person was and what she was up to. That's how we started the relationship, and then later, I guess, Dimension 14 was born.
Building this AI and machine learning system, it was a journey because you have to understand the algorithms, you have to train your data set, and you have to compile and deploy the code. To be able to apply AI, the first crucial point is having a structured data. Collecting and gathering this data in the right format and right time, it's a bit challenging. I would be extremely happy and extremely satisfied if we can prove that we are solving one of the biggest problems